Hi, I'm Jason Blackburn with Emerson Automation Solutions. Today I'd like to talk about scalable Ovation platforms. Do you wish the Ovation system was more scalable? That there were different footprint options that would make it easier to replace an existing PLC system with minimal disruption to existing infrastructure? If so, I would like to introduce our new scalable Ovation controller and I/O products we are releasing in spring of 2018 that will offer more flexible options for replacing PLCs in an existing Ovation site or in a new installation where a larger Ovation cabinet would require expensive infrastructure changes. The key to more scalable Ovation hardware is our new controller platform. This controller platform is significantly smaller than our current OCR 1100 controller, allowing it to fit more easily in space-constrained environments. The functionality of this controller is the same as the OCR 1100 in speed of control and other capabilities. However, I/O is limited to 3 branches and the number of modules is limited to 24. Also, it won't work with Ovation Remote I/O, but can work with some third-party I/O systems. This new controller will also have improved environmental specifications and will work in ambient conditions up to 70 degrees centigrade, enabling you to place an Ovation system in even the most challenging environmental conditions. Many of the communications protocols contained in our Ethernet link controller and SCADA suite are built right inside this controller, so this controller can act as a standalone Ovation drop connecting to third-party I/O or other devices. Also planned in the same time frame as this release are multiple I/O footprint options and new options for network topologies. The first I/O footprint option I would like to discuss is a 4-module wide horizontal base. This base will fit in a cabinet as narrow as 19 inches. Field wiring, or wiring from existing terminal blocks, is directly connected onto the green screw terminal block shown here. This I/O base will work on all Ovation I/O modules, including our wider modules such as our Machinery Health Monitor or our Increased Channel Capacity I/O modules. The second footprint option is shown here. This option contains 2 modules per base for maximum flexibility when fitting modules in a cabinet. The modules can be placed side by side or placed in various other configurations within an existing cabinet with minimal changes. This module also features pluggable screw terminal blocks that can be connected to terminal blocks inside a cabinet to minimize field wiring work. This option will also work with our wider Ovation I/O modules. The third I/O footprint option I would like to show is based on our widely used Q-Line to Ovation migration platform. This configuration provides greater horizontal I/O density than the other 2 footprints. The signal wires from the field are connected to plug-on or clamp-on connectors that are plugged or clamped onto the edges of the personality module cards shown here. The last item I'd like to discuss are some new networking options that will be available for this platform. In the past, Ovation has only allowed controllers to be placed on the Ovation highway in a local area network configuration. In the spring of 2018, we will be releasing a new networking option that will allow Ovation to work over a wide area network as well. This will allow an Ovation drop to be located in an area that is not connected directly to the Ovation network. It just needs an Ethernet connection to communicate with the host Ovation highway, so a VPN network or even a cellular or other network would work. Control processes will continue even if the connection to the host system is lost. This networking option gives maximum flexibility to our power and water customers who wish to have Ovation even at a very distant location. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you're as excited as we are about the flexibility of this new hardware footprint. If you have questions or comments, please visit us at the Ovation Users Group in July or talk to your local sales representative.